Discussion of the different kinds of organic reactions. Organic reactions are chemical reactions involving organic compounds. The basic organic chemistry reaction types are addition reactions, elimination reactions, substitution reactions, rearrangement reactions. Organic chemistry is important because it is the study of life and all of the chemical reactions related to life. Several careers apply on understanding of organic chemistry, such as doctors, veterinarians, dentists, pharmacologists, chemical engineers, and chemists. Addition reactions are typical of unsaturated organic compounds. Alkanes, which contain a carbon-to-carbon double bond, and alkanes, which have a carbon-to-carbon triple bond, and aldehydes and ketones, which have a carbon-to-oxygen double bond. An addition reaction may be visualized as a process by which the double or triple bonds are fully or partially broken in order to accommodate additional atoms or groups of atoms in the molecule. Addition reactions to alkenes in the alkanes are sometimes called saturation reactions because the reaction causes the carbon atoms to become saturated with the maximum number of attached groups. Examples of addition reactions that are common in alkane include halogenation, hydration, hydrohalogenation, hydrogenation, and polymerization. Alkyne can undergo addition reaction to give an alkane or its derivative. As a single product, it contains the exact same type, color, and style of food originally used. This is a very important point as the product of addition reaction contains all the atoms and elements originally present in reactant being combined. Elimination reaction is a reaction in which atoms are removed as molecules or compounds. Elimination is generally catalyzed by a metal, an acid, or base. Elimination reactions often compete with substitution reactions. In this reaction, a substrate, typically an alkyl halide, eliminates one equivalent unit of acid to form an alkene. Two possible mechanisms are available for this elimination reaction, E1 and E2 mechanism. Elimination reaction is a type of chemical reaction where several atoms, either in pairs or groups, are removed from a molecule. The removal usually takes place due to the action of acids and bases or the actions of metals. It can also happen through the process of heating at heat temperature. Examples: E1 reaction versus E2 reaction. E1 reaction 2-methyl, 2-butanol, and 2-methyl, 2-butane. Ethyl reaction 2-chloro, 2-methyl, butane, and 1-propanol. Substitution reaction, any of a class of chemical reactions in which an atom, ion, or group of atoms or ions in a molecule is replaced by another atom, ion, or group. An example is the reaction in which the chlorine atom in the chloromethane molecule is displaced by the hydroxide ion, forming methanol. Substitution reactions are divided into three general classes, depending on the type of atom or group that acts as the substituent. In 1, the substituent is electron-rich and provides the electron pair for bonding with the substrate, the molecule being transformed. This type of reaction is known as nucleophilic substitution. Examples of nucleophilic reagent are the halogen anions, ammonia, the hydroxyl group, the aqueous group, the cyano group, and the hydrosulfate group. In the second type of substitution reaction, the substituent is deficient in electrons, and the electron pair for bonding with the substrate comes from the substrate itself. Rearrangement reaction. The term rearrangement is used to describe two different types of organic chemical reaction. A rearrangement may involve the one-step migration of an H atom or a larger molecular fragment within a relatively short-lived intermediate. On the other hand, a rearrangement may be a multi-step reaction that includes the migration of an H atom or a larger molecular fragment as one of its steps. In many rearrangements, the migrating groups connects to one of the direct neighbors of atom to which it was originally attached. Rearrangements of this type are the so-called rearrangement shifts. This rearrangement can be considered as asymptotic processes, the number 1 and 2 characterizing the subclass to which they belong. In a rearrangement reaction, a molecule undergoes a reorganization of its constituent part. For example, alkane unheating with strong acid from another isomeric alkane. In organic synthesis, organic reactions are used in the construction of new organic molecules. The production of many man-made chemicals such as drugs, plastics, food additives, fabrics depend on organic reaction. The oldest organic reactions are combustion of organic fuels and saponification of fats to make soap. Organic chemistry is the study of structure properties, composition, reactions, and preparation of carbon-containing compounds. Most organic compounds contain carbon and hydrogen, but they may also include any number of other elements: nitrogen, oxygen, halogens, phosphorus, silicon, sulfur. Organic chemistry is important because it is the study of life and all of the chemical reactions related to life.